Tamale, the western red-tailed hawk, here to show you a little bit about how we take great care of all of our critters and give them all of the enrichment they need. I know you've had a chance to see some cool mammal-based enrichment here at the Howell Nature Center, but Tamale, do our birds get enrichment too? What do you think? I know, I think you're right. Maybe we should find out more, huh? You know what? Our birds get visual and all sorts of food-related enrichment to help them challenge their minds and their bodies. And we're going to try a little bit of enrichment with Tamale. Today, we're going to be trying to put her food into some different objects to challenge her and give her body some exercise, trying to balance and grab her food, and also to puzzle her mind with different challenges and exciting different ways to catch her food, including, yes I know, I'm excited too, including a little dog toy treat ball, a head of lettuce that we've poked holes into just with our fingers and stuffed her food into, as well as we might try some other enrichment in a little bit and see how she likes it. Keep your eyes peeled for her behavior to see if the enrichment ends up getting her to engage and interact with it in ways that would be natural. Birds express themselves using changes in their feathers, so look and see. Do her feathers lift up as she gets excited? Do they tighten up as she gets ready to move? Maybe she uses the feathers of her wings to hide her food so nobody steals her cool toys. That's called mantling when birds do that. You might even see her powerful feet in action as she tries to balance on a difficult ball or grasp down on her prey, like a head of lettuce, if she happens to bind down on it and gets so excited she forgets to let go. So let's take a look and explore on the wild side. Hey Tamale, do you want it? All right, so now that we've had a chance to try some enrichment she is familiar with, we're going to try Tamale with a brand new piece of enrichment she's never seen before. It's actually the kind of puzzle toy you could use with your dog, and you might be able to get one at a pet store. Oh, she's already investigating it and thinking about it. Since this is her first time with this toy, she's not going to have it completely locked to make it an easier challenge for her. We don't want her to be too challenged. She'd get frustrated. She's had a chance to see the mice inside her favorite snack, and we're going to see how she reacts.
Well, that's one way to do it.
Sometimes enrichment is a little bit different for every critter. And, well, now you know why they call it hawking down your food, I guess. Now, I want you to think about what kind of enrichment maybe you can try at home. You might not have hawks living with you. Probably not. But you might be able to find a way to enrich the pets in your own home, or maybe even enrich yourself. Come up with a new puzzle or a challenge to experience. Or look for some household items that you could change into interesting puzzles to challenge your pets to do interesting new behaviors. Especially if it's a natural wild behavior, it'll be good exercise for their minds, their bodies, and yours. Stay wild.